fam, welcome back to my channel. Yes, Shein sent me 3 wigs from their new synthetic line. I am popping in pink. Now these wigs can be worn for absolutely everything. Yes, they're colorful. You can use them for cosplay, everyday wear, going to dinner, going to walk your dog, whatever your fancy. And they look so cute and realistic. Let's get to it. So this first one is long hair with curls, bangs, and a realistic scalp. And it's like a pale pink color. And you know, for synthetic wigs, they are tracks. So inside the wig, you have your tracks, your 4 combs, one in the back, one in the front, and 2 on the side. And this one is a pink, red, rose with bangs. And of course, it is a bob with a realistic scalp with the same features. Inside, you have your combs and your tracks. So you can always use your, oh, and it has a band, of course. So you can always adjust it to fit your head. And y'all already know I'm a part of the little bitty head committee. So I'm tightening up that baby as we speak. Then we have what turned out to be my favorite, which is also a bob. It's also wavy with bangs, but only this one is 14 inches. And I absolutely love this wig. I don't know if you can tell. It's on my thumbnail. Anyway, these are the 3 wigs. Now let's see how they look on me. Now don't forget, these are all synthetic. So let's see how realistic and how good they can look. Yes, you see me popping pink. Look, Shein never seems to amaze me. They just keep on putting out these bangers, putting out these good deals, making us see them. Okay, so these 3 wigs are all synthetic, wear and go. What? Popping pink. But let's see, do they really stand up? Let's go. These things got some long bangs. Now, oh. What? Another banger. Wig number 2. Okay, so this is the front. Oh, and I didn't even show you guys on the first one. It has a real scalp. And if the bangs are too long, you can always pull your wig back and it'll make your bangs recede. What y'all think? What? Okay. Yeah, I look pretty cute in pink, okay? Just fuck it. I'm just go flat out say it. Look, y'all already know I love me some lace fronts, but this, I can't even say I'm not a big fan of synthetics no more. I think they just have to be colored because this is a banger. What? How do I want it? Like this? Look, I never knew that pink would look cute on me, but I was wrong. The only thing, okay, here's my hack. For synthetic wigs, I don't comb them out. The only thing I do is I take some wax, put a little bit on the palm of my hand, you know, make it a little tacky. And this actually really tames the hair really well. It makes it lay down. It takes care of the frizz. Now, the bang part, I might have to clip because y'all know my head is kind of small and this stuff will be all in my nose. Let me see if I can just slant it. Okay. Put some of this in the back. Okay. What? I'm kind of feeling it, y'all. Okay, this is how it looks. Let me straighten up this camera. Wait, you ain't getting hoe vibes, right? More like supermodel, like cosplay. think? Okay, I want y'all to rate every single wig that I put on. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which one of these wigs y'all like best.